Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we're diving into creative backyard shed ideas. Get ready for some inspiring designs and practical tips to transform your outdoor space. Let's jump right in. This charming backyard shed captures my heart with its quaint, cottage-like appearance. The French doors and matching windows create an inviting entryway, allowing plenty of natural light to flood the interior. The gravel pathway leading to the shed is both practical and visually appealing, offering a rustic touch that complements the surrounding greenery. I love how the raised garden beds frame the path, integrating the shed seamlessly into the landscape. However, I would add some colorful flowering plants around the base of the shed to enhance its visual appeal further. Also, incorporating a small seating area nearby would create a cozy outdoor retreat, perfect for enjoying the garden's beauty. I am captivated by this modern backyard shed with its sleek, dark exterior and open, airy design. The large glass doors seamlessly connect the indoor and outdoor spaces, making it an ideal spot for both work and relaxation. Inside, the rustic wooden shelves and eclectic decor add a warm, inviting touch. I particularly appreciate the use of plants to bring life and color to the interior, creating a serene and productive atmosphere. To enhance this space, I would add a small outdoor deck with comfortable seating, allowing for a smooth transition from inside to outside. This would make it perfect for enjoying the surrounding nature even more. This backyard shed is an absolute gem. The dark exterior paint contrasts beautifully with the lush greenery, creating a sophisticated yet inviting look. The interior is cozy and functional, with minimalistic furniture and thoughtful decor that makes it perfect for a small home office or retreat. The addition of the steps leading to an elevated area is a brilliant touch, adding dimension and interest to the backyard. If I could change anything, I would add some more vibrant outdoor lighting to make the space usable and enchanting in the evening as well. This cozy backyard shed setup is simply enchanting. I adore the use of fairy lights strung across the porch, creating a warm and inviting ambiance. The comfortable seating area with its mix of chairs, cushions, and throws makes it an ideal spot for relaxing or entertaining. The white and neutral color palette is soothing, and the variety of textures adds depth to the space. The addition of umbrellas provides shade, making it practical for sunny days. To enhance this area further, I would incorporate some hanging plants or a vertical garden on the shed's wall to add a touch of greenery and life to the decor. This rustic backyard shed exudes vintage charm with its weathered wood and antique-style French doors. I love the hanging ferns, which add a touch of greenery and soften the overall look. The eclectic mix of furniture, including the brightly colored metal chairs and unique yellow table, creates a welcoming and playful atmosphere. The Kellerman Staff Quarters sign adds a quirky, nostalgic touch that makes the space feel unique and personal. To enhance the functionality, I would add some outdoor lighting fixtures to illuminate the area in the evening, making it a cozy spot for nighttime gatherings. This backyard shed interior is a delightful blend of rustic and cozy elements. The exposed wooden beams and hanging greenery give the space a natural, festive feel. I love the farmhouse-style tables and chairs, which add to the charm and provide plenty of seating for gatherings. The fireplace mantel with its welcoming sign and lanterns enhances the inviting atmosphere, making it a perfect spot for entertaining or relaxing. The light, airy color palette keeps the space feeling open and bright. To improve functionality, I would add some storage solutions under the tables or along the walls to keep the area tidy and organized. This intimate backyard shed is absolutely charming. I love the black bistro chairs paired with the small round table, creating a cozy spot for enjoying coffee or a quiet meal. The string lights add a warm, romantic glow, enhancing the space's ambiance. The patterned floor tiles bring a touch of elegance and visual interest. Fresh flowers and candles on the table, along with the surrounding potted plants, add a natural and inviting feel. To make this space even better, I would add a small rug to anchor the seating area and add a bit more coziness. This backyard shed is a stunning example of how to create a luxurious retreat. The chandelier and elegant wallpaper set a sophisticated tone, while the cozy armchairs and patterned cushions invite relaxation. I love the blend of traditional and modern elements, like the zebra print rug juxtaposed with the ornate decor. The shelves are both stylish and practical, providing ample storage without overwhelming the space. The large clock and carefully chosen accessories add character and charm. To make this space even better, I would add some additional ambient lighting, such as wall sconces, to enhance the cozy atmosphere during the evening. This cozy backyard shed is transformed into a perfect retreat for chilly evenings. I love the inviting ambiance created by the electric fireplace, which adds warmth and a focal point to the room. The string lights on the ceiling enhance the intimate feel, while the mix of textures, like the fluffy throw and rug, make the space incredibly cozy. The large glass doors open up to the patio, blending indoor comfort with outdoor relaxation. To improve this space, I would add a few more seating options like poofs or an ottoman to accommodate more guests comfortably and enhance the overall functionality. This backyard shed has a modern, sleek look with its dark exterior and clean lines. I love how the large wooden planters flanking the entrance add a touch of natural beauty, softening the overall aesthetic. The symmetrical design is pleasing to the eye, and the small deck provides a welcoming entryway. To enhance its functionality, I would suggest adding some outdoor lighting along the pathway and perhaps a few comfortable chairs or a bench on the deck. This would create a more inviting atmosphere and make the space feel more integrated into the garden. I find this backyard shed entrance absolutely charming with its elegant, traditional style. The dark door contrasts beautifully with the light siding, creating a striking focal point. The wreath and hanging planters add a welcoming touch of greenery, while the variety of potted plants provide visual interest and frame the doorway nicely. The symmetry is pleasing to the eye and gives a sense of balance. I particularly like the small decorative plates above the door, which add a unique and personal touch. To enhance the space, I would consider adding some soft outdoor lighting to highlight the features and create a warm ambiance in the evening. This adorable backyard shed has an irresistible charm with its pastel pink door and matching wreath. The lush greenery and variety of potted plants add a vibrant touch, making the entrance feel fresh and lively. The small porch area is both practical and cute, providing a perfect spot for displaying seasonal decor. The birdhouse and lantern add whimsical elements that enhance the overall appeal. To make this space even more delightful, I would add some fairy lights along the roofline to create a magical ambiance in the evenings. This sleek, modern backyard shed is striking with its all-black exterior. I love how the double glass doors create a sense of openness while maintaining the contemporary aesthetic. The rain barrel is a practical addition, showcasing eco-friendly design. The compact minimalist structure is perfect for a small workspace or storage area. The planter box with blooming hydrangeas adds a splash of color and softens the overall look. To enhance this space, I would incorporate some vertical garden elements on the side walls to bring in more greenery and contrast, making the shed blend beautifully with its natural surroundings. I adore the charm of this backyard shed, especially with its bold black exterior and contrasting bright green door. The addition of the wooden pergola over the entrance not only provides shade, but also adds a touch of elegance and architectural interest. The large windows allow plenty of natural light to flood the interior, making it a perfect space for a garden shed or small studio. The surrounding garden, with its variety of plants and flowers, creates a lush and inviting atmosphere. To improve this space, I would add some hanging planters on the pergola for a pop of color and to enhance the natural feel. I am absolutely enamored with this stylish backyard shed. The dark exterior gives it a sleek, modern look, while the light mint green door adds a refreshing pop of color. The covered porch area is beautifully decorated with a mix of cozy elements like the patterned rug and plaid cushions, creating a welcoming and comfortable outdoor space. The variety of plants, including hanging planters and potted greenery, adds a touch of nature and liveliness. I love the warm lighting fixtures, which enhance the cozy atmosphere. To improve this space, I would add a few more seating options to make it perfect for entertaining guests. Thanks for joining me on this tour of creative backyard shed ideas. I hope you found some inspiration for your own outdoor spaces. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. See you in the next video.